Step 1 is to choose an affiliate product. Step 2 is to copy a video. Step 3 is to share this video here. And step 4 is to get sales on complete autopilot. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to earn super high commissions with Clickbank. Clickbank is super powerful, and I'm going to be revealing this super simple strategy that's completely free that anyone can do, where no experience is required. With this strategy, you don't even need to show your face or have any sort of following online. I will also be sharing several different ways for you to get a ton of free traffic at the end of this video, so make sure that you watch this video to the very end. So for the first step, I'd like you to head over to clickbank.com. You'll want to click this button that says Start Here to create your own account if you don't have one already. It's completely free to do and does not take long to complete. After you've created your account, you want to click on this button right here that says Marketplace. And if you look here on the left-hand side, it will show you all these different categories of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. And with this method that I'm showing in today's video, it does not matter which category that you select. But as an example, I'm just going to go with health and fitness. So after you've selected your category, you then want to filter your results by gravity. Gravity will just filter the best-selling products at the very top. And when products are selling well and converting well, it's a lot more likely that you'll also be able to promote and sell the same products well. And you can actually see the gravity score right here on each of the products. Anything over 50 is good, so this one here is amazing. And then right here is the average conversion that you will make with this product. So after you've selected your product, you will then want to click this button that says Promote, which will give you this pop-up right here, where you will then want to create a hop link. So this link right here is a link that you want to copy as it is your affiliate link. After you've copied your affiliate link, you'll then want to head over to this website called bit.ly.com. So you'll just paste in your affiliate link right here and then click this button to shorten your affiliate link. So now you have your new shortened affiliate link. And the reason you want to do this is because you don't want to share a long, ugly link. When you have this shortened link, it's a lot more likely for people to click on it. So just keep this tab open with your new shortened affiliate link because we will be coming back here later on this video. Next, I want you to head over to YouTube. And just to let you know, you won't be making any videos or putting your face out there. So what I'm about to show you here is this special hack that you can use within YouTube. So what you're going to do is type in a couple of keywords that are related to the niche of your product, followed by hashtag shorts. So as an example, I could type in fitness tips hashtag shorts, then click search. It will then bring up all these different shorts that are related to fitness. And then after that, we're going to click on filters right here, and this is the part that people are unaware of. When you click on Creative Commons right here, it will filter all the shorts of videos where you will have the rights to reuse these videos. All these videos are copyright free, which will grant you access to reuse and re-upload them yourself. So you want to try and find a video that's actually good, so I'm going to do that really quick. So I found this video and it seems to be pretty decent. And when finding a video, you want to try and look for videos that provide tips, value, motivation, or anything that's helpful or educational. So after you found your video, you will want to copy the URL link right here and then head over to another website called yt5s.com. This website essentially just allows you to download YouTube videos for free, as it states right here. So you can paste the YouTube URL link you copied right here and then click Start. After clicking Start, you'll be provided with a downloadable link for the YouTube video. So you can select the quality here. I'll just do 720p and then just click Get Link. That will then convert it to a download link, which you will then click on to download to the device that you are using. After you've downloaded that to your device, you will then want to head over to another website called canva.com. And this website is also completely free. You'll want to type into the search bar right here, mobile video. That's the template we'll be using, so you'll just want to click this option right here. You can either select a template that looks good to you, or you can just create a blank mobile video right here, which is what I'm going to select. So after you've selected that, you'll then want to click on Uploads right here, and then click this button that says Upload Files to upload the YouTube short that you just downloaded to your device. So right here, you'll see that I have uploaded it. So then you'll just want to click on that, and it'll automatically add it right here. So you'll just want to drag and resize it so it fits the template we have right here. After you've resized it, we will then add an element. So just click on this section right here that says Elements. I want you to choose a square right here, so just click on that. So I'll just drag and stretch it across so it fits nicely up top here. You can choose a color that seems most fitting for your video, so I'll just select this color. And then after you've done that, you'll then want to click this button right here to duplicate it so you can drag it to the bottom as well. So now we have two boxes, one at the top and one at the bottom. Next, you want to click on Text right here and then click on Add a Heading. So you'll just drag that up top right here. And you can change the color of your text that is most fitting or contrasting with the color of your box, so I'll just go ahead and choose this color. So for the headline, you want to write something that will hook someone in and catch their attention. So since this is something that is fitness related, I can write something that will catch someone's attention that's related to fitness. Check out this new fitness tip to lose weight fast. You want to write something similar to that, and then you can resize it and center it on your box up top. And then you can click on add a heading to add another one for the bottom box, and this will be our call to action. So I'll just write something like click link in bio to learn more. So this is your call to action, getting someone to click the link in your bio. So after you've finished all these steps, you can then click on the button that says share right here, and then click on download right here. So now that you've downloaded the video to your device, the next step I'll be showing you is super simple and straightforward. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this one that will teach you how to make money online. I'll be showing you how you can use this video as a free ad and post it on several different places online to get a ton of free traffic on complete autopilot. The first place that you can do this on is Pinterest. You can create a free Pinterest account that is in your niche and post your video there to get a bunch of free traffic. You can place your affiliate link that you shortened on Bitly right here in your Pinterest bio. Once you've created your account, you can then post your video onto Pinterest, which people will start to see whenever they search or browse through your niche. They will view your video, receive value, and then they'll see your call to action, which is clicking the link in your bio, which they will then do. And then that's when people will decide to purchase the product that you're an affiliate for. Now, the next platform that you can use is Instagram. You can create an Instagram within your niche and then post your video as an Instagram reel to get a bunch of free traffic. And again, people would view your video, get value, see your call to action, and then click the link in your bio. So you would copy and paste your affiliate link that you shortened on Bitly right here in your Instagram bio for people to click on and purchase the product that you're an affiliate for. And now what I think might be the best place for you to post your video would be on TikTok. And the same steps would apply for this as well, where you would create an account in your niche, you add your affiliate link in your bio, and you post your videos on your account. TikTok has incredible growth and massive opportunity to get a ridiculous amount of traffic, so I strongly encourage you to at least use TikTok for this strategy. But it's best to use as many different platforms as possible. Now, something to mention is that just posting one video is not very likely to get you consistent sales or any sales at all in the beginning. You want to create a consistent posting schedule where you post at least one video a week on each of these platforms so you can get traffic consistently and be able to generate sales consistently. You just need to repeat this process that I showed you in the video, and over time, you will start to get more and more traffic, and therefore more and more sales, so you can make more money. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.